was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you for your time. Today guys, I'll be teaching you how you can use bay leaf to attract abundant wealth, how you can use bay leaf to command anything you want, depending on anything you want. All you need is just bay leaf. Then you need matches, you need a gas cooker. Preferably if you can get charcoal or firewood, is far better than any of that option. But when you don't have charcoal around you, or you don't have a firewood around you to burn it naturally, you can use gas cooker, or you can just use matches to burn it direct, or you can use lighter to burn it direct. But I prefer, since there's no charcoal or firewood around, I prefer make use of a gas cooker. Okay, so also need a green marker. Yes, green marker. You need any green marker or green pen. So try get green marker or green pen. Okay, any one of your choice, either green, but green far preferable. In the absence of no green, you can use blue. Okay, all you have to do is that whatever you want, okay, whatever you want, you have to do to just get the leaf. Depending on what you want to get the leaf. After you have gotten the leaf based on what you want, for example, maybe I need three. Let me say I need 30,000 naira. Then I will write 30,000. Right? I need 30,000 naira. Then I must put naira. If it is in naira, I want the money. If it is in dollars, I put dollars. So depending on the nature of your business, you see. Alright, I will write the amount I want to be 30,000 naira. You must put the naira, and if it is dollar, you must put the dollars sign. Okay, so you write 30. And if it is 1 million, you write 1 million, depending on what you want. Okay, I'll write it here like this. Then I'll also turn it back. I'll also write naira. See that? Then I'll write 30, 0, 0, 0. See that? I'll also write it in the back. Okay. Make sure I'm done writing it in the back. Then I will just on my gas cooker and burn it. If there's another thing I need as well, after writing this one, I can keep it. Maybe I need favour, for example. Let me say I need favour. I'll just get one of the leaf. Then I'll write on it favour. Okay, I'll write on it favour. I'll spell favour on it. Favour. Daddy. Okay. You call your name. I so person. I the seer. I want favour. I the seer. I want 30,000 naira. Just for example. So you call your name and speak the amount you want to it. If possible, you can just write your name on it. Just write your name on it. Daddy. I just write your name attached to it. You can see my name on it like this. Or if for example I need it, I can put it this way. Let me say I need 1 million naira. I'll write one. I'll write naira. I'll now write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1 million naira. I've written it. Then in the back I'll write my name. I'll write my name. I can write the date I was born if I like it. I can write the date I was born. I'll just write 12 July. Okay, that's the date and month I was born. I can write it. Once I'm done, the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to on my gas. Daddy! See that? Preferably, if you write the amount you want or anything you want in the front, you write your name and your date of birth, your year of birth in the back. Yes, write your name in the back. If you write what you want, if it is love you want, write love in the front. For example, Juliet, I can write Juliet love me, and after everything Juliet love me in the front, then in the back I will turn it and write my name. If it is somebody you want the person to give you money, write You can write, for example, I want James to give me 100 million. I will just write 100 million in the front. The order, I will write James. Then in the back, I will write my name. Then once I'm done, I just put everything. If you want faster result, you can write the same thing in 7 bay leaf and burn them together at the same time. So just put them, allow everything to burn to ashes. The reason why I don't encourage you using matches is that once you light up it up with matches will not burn at the same time. It will off again before you have to try on it again. But it's better once you just start burning, let everything burn once, let it burn off, then you try on it again. You avoid when you put it on, so avoid it burning, then it has not finished burning, then it off. Make sure everything burn to ashes. Make sure everything burn to ashes, okay? So once everything, allow it to burn. Allow everything to burn. The was done. Then I can off my gas. Turn on your gas. You can see smoke coming out from it. Allow that smoke to enter the air. You can see the smoke continue coming out and allow the smoke to go and connect it to the universe. Once the thing is out of smoke, then all you have to do is to just pack it. Let's pack it, then go and blow it outside. Yes, once you don't just pack it, then just go and blow it outside. Once you pack it and then take it outside, go and blow it, then the ritual is done. Wait for the positive result. By God's grace, you see that person will give you whatever you want, anything you wish for. You see how that request will come. It will come based on your faith. Some people will do this within 3 days, you see result. Within 7 days, some will take a week, some might take a month, but definitely it will definitely happen. So if you find this video helpful so far, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss a wonderful video from me. So see you guys in the next class. Anything you don't understand, ask question, I'll get back to you. And I want you to comment that this must work for me. Anything I do with daily must work for me. See you guys.